In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select Remove in this pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it though, I can show you how to do it too. Pinch your device's display and tap on Widgets at the bottom. Now look for a Google app on the left. When you find it, click on it and scroll on the right to find search bar. When you find it, you need to hold it and drag it to the place on your screen where you wish to put it. Don't worry if it's too little, we'll adjust it in a second. With your search bar on your screen, you need to hold those white lines and drag it. If you want to shorten it, you can drag it in an opposite direction. When you're ready, just click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!